Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Quoigender means? Let's explore. Quoigender is a gender identity that is difficult or impossible to define. People who identify as Quoigender might feel that their gender is ambiguous, fluid, or beyond traditional categories, making it challenging to describe or understand. This identity reflects the experience of having a gender that doesn't fit into any existing labels or that is constantly changing, resisting definition. Quoigender individuals may find that no single term adequately captures their gender experience, leading them to embrace the indefinability of their gender. In essence, being Quoigender is about having a gender identity that is elusive or undefinable, embracing the complexity and ambiguity of gender. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.